Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to understand plasma protein, one of the most important topic from human physiology and very important from NEET point of view also. Now what is plasma? Plasma is a straw color liquid part which is making 55% of the total blood. It contains water, nearly 90 to 92% water. It contains proteins, 6 to 8%. It contains the nutrients like glucose, amino acid in the simple form which can be dissolved. It contains the mineral ions also like sodium, chlorine, bicarbonate ions, calcium, magnesium. So all these are present in the plasma. But today our videos will be focusing mainly on the plasma protein because they play very important role in maintaining the normal functioning of our body. Plasma proteins are one which are present in the dissolved form and mainly they are synthesized by the liver. But globulin is the one which is not synthesized by liver. It is synthesized by the special type of a cell, plasma cell, which are actually differentiated B lymphocyte. So three types of plasma proteins are there: albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Mnemonics is given for the in the form of learning also. A albumin means to attract water, G globulin to guard, F fibrinogen to make fibrin. Now let us discuss one by one. Albumin. If you see here albumin percentage, you can check it is 55 to 60% is given. Its main function is to maintain colloidal osmotic pressure. It will also transport the hormones, fatty acids, bilirubin and many drugs. And this pressure will prevent excess loss of water from the blood vessel into the surrounding. If suppose albumin level decreases, oncotic pressure can decreases and fluid will accumulate in the tissue, condition which is known as edema. Now come to the second, that is known as globulin, which is 35 to 38 percentage. Three types of globulin are there: alpha, beta, which is responsible for transport made by the liver, and gamma globulin is the one which is made by the plasma cell. It is making antibodies. This is the one which is responsible for guarding the body against the pathogen. Fibrinogen is the one which is the very least, and it is essential for blood clotting because it will convert the fibrinogen into fibrin. Now study about albumin. See, focus albumin. Albumin is the most abundant. It is the most abundant and smallest protein. Abundant, but it is the smallest protein. And its work is to maintain the osmotic pressure. Now you understand the diagram carefully. See here, right now this is arterial and the blood colloidal osmotic pressure, hydrostatic pressure is high. Clear? At the venous end, hydrostatic pressure is low. So arterial end pressure is high, venous end pressure is low. So because of high hydrostatic pressure, the blood plasma is forced out into the interstitial space. It is forced out. Now the protein, albumin protein, they are creating colloidal osmotic pressure. They are the one which are creating colloidal osmotic pressure, and because of which you can see the water is being pulled back into the capillary. Water is pulled back into the capillary. So colloidal osmotic pressure is also known as oncotic pressure. Work is to attract the water back into capillary. If suppose it is low, then what will happen? It will lead to the swelling known as edema. Is it clear? It leads to the swelling that is known as edema. So if low albumin is there, it means low blood colloidal osmotic pressure is there. It means fluid loss will be more, and fluid loss more means it leads to the edema formation. Now come to the globulin. There are three types of globulin are there. Alpha globulin is the one which is synthesized by the liver. It is working for transport. Beta globulin is also synthesized by the liver. It is also responsible for transport, but its transport is for iron. Its main work is to transport iron. It is a gamma globulin which is actually made by the special type of B lymphocyte, that is plasma cell. It is made by the plasma cell. Please focus, it is made by the plasma cell and not by the liver cell. It is the one which is actually making antibodies, which is protecting against the pathogen. You can say it is used as a defense mechanism. So easy mnemonics is learning is this way. A, you can learn this way. A is for arranged transport. Beta is for bringing iron, and gamma is to guard the body by making antibodies. So I hope so. I'm trying to provide the mnemonics also for learning the plasma protein. It might be helpful for you. Please follow the channel if you like these videos, and if you like it, then give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to your friends so that they can also prepare well for your NEET exam. Let me give a quick revision first for this thing. Quick revision is first, plasma protein albumin helping in maintaining oncotic pressure. Second, they transport hormones, nutrients, fatty acids, bilirubin and all. Third, gamma globulin provide immunity. Fibrinogen helps in blood clotting. They work as a protein reserve also during prolonged starvation. And very important, they maintain acid-base balance, acting as a buffer to stabilize blood pH. So remember, albumin is the most abundant protein. Fibrinogen is not present in serum. Immunoglobulin is not produced by liver, it is produced by plasma cell. Albumin is greater than globulin and globulin is greater than fibrinogen. So highest is albumin and least is fibrinogen. If you find this explanation helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel and forward it to your friends they also can prepare for their NEET exam. Thanks for watching.